Hello and welcome to the Optimistic Kitchen. Yes, I'm inside, out of the garden for a change. Thought I'd do a bit of a cooking video. Some of you will know that over the last few years I've been doing some cooking videos. I love to cook and you know, and that's the whole point to me of growing your own vegetables, is to be able to make some fantastic different dishes with all the beautiful veg that you can get out of the garden and that real fresh out of the garden taste. And one of my viewers, Lindsay, has reminded me that I should be doing a few more of the videos, especially sort of seasonal videos of the veg that's coming out at that particular time. So here I am. I thought it's coming towards the end of asparagus season, and asparagus is that fantastic veg right at the start of the season, just when it's still even cold outside, starts to poke its head up, and you know that we're actually going to start into growing season just at that very start, and it's just that wonderful taste, asparagus straight out of the garden. It's a bit of an investment. You know, you have to grow asparagus for a good 3 years before you can really start harvesting it, but it is oh so delicious. So much better than store-bought, and to me it's very much worth it. So I'm going to start off with quite an easy dish today, pretty simple really. It's asparagus wrapped in prosciutto, I know I can't pronounce it very well, prosciutto ham, roasted in the oven for about 10-12 minutes, and then served with a poached egg. You can do a boiled egg if you want and have them as asparagus soldiers, but I like to have a nice little poached egg over the top. Nice and simple. I'm going to have that for my lunch. So, might as well get on with it, eh? So, this asparagus, I've only got 3 here, this is for my lunch. Just taken this straight out of the garden, snapped it off, and then I've chopped off the woody bits at the bottom, so we've got just the nice succulent green bits of the asparagus. And I've got some prosciutto ham, as I said. You could use streaky bacon, you know, that thin bacon, and slice that up and wrap that round. It's a bit thicker, and you'll probably have to do it a little bit longer to get that more, not so much crunchy, but cooked version. This is a bit more healthy for you, but it's the same principle. So what I'm going to do is take some of this ham and literally just wrap it around the actual asparagus. I say nice and simple. This ham sometimes falls apart on you. There we go. There's one. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't remember what that is in new money, in centigrade. Oh, here we go. So we're just covering the main part of the stalk here. The stem. Right, last one. This really is particularly simple, even though I'm making a bit of a mess of it. Last bit here. Excuse me, better wash my hands. Right, so there we go. 3 pieces of asparagus wrapped in the ham. Just got a nice little roasting dish here. Fits in nicely. I'm not even going to put any olive oil in there. I think the fat on the ham itself will nicely do the job. I'm going to put it in there for about 12 minutes. That's all it needs, I think. Just going to check it then, and that is it for the minute. Just when it's just about done, we'll stick the water on to do the poached egg, and then we'll be ready. Right, let's put that in. "12 minutes, better do the timer." Here we go. I have lost. Right, so I've had these in for 14 minutes actually. There we are, look. They'll be nice and soft. Just right. Right, don't pick me up for my poached eggs. I've never been the greatest poacher of eggs. I did two just in case the first one didn't work out. Come on. There we go. That'll do nicely. Right, the proof is in the pudding, isn't it? Let's have a little try. So there we go. Nice, beautiful asparagus. Try it. Oh yeah. I don't think you need any salt on this either. The saltiness of the ham definitely comes through. Absolutely delicious. So there we go. First one of the year. Nice and simple. Asparagus roasted with prosciutto ham and a nice poached egg to dip into, to add that nice bit of richness to the meal. Nice and simple. There's my lunch. Job's a good one.